Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 12 mock-up of urban poster. These files in PST. You can adjust your own image here just in one click. For example, I'm drag this file in Photoshop CC, and you see here in layer area you can change every image. Sorry, you can adjust every image. So I open this. For example, I open this file and drag here. Image files. Enter. Control S. And you see here your images are just on this area. Okay, I close this file and open next file. Drag to Photoshop area, and you select your area here. For example, open any other photo in this file. Drag on top, and then you can adjust. I tell you just for example, Control S for saving, and you see here your picture on walls or in poster. So I close this file and open the last file. I know you have no time. And simply you can drag here your image or your title, smoking or not allowed, or etc. You can adjust your company logos. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.